Hello, CMAs. It's Trent again, coming to you from the convenience of my dorm room in Brumby, here to talk about how we are going to be able to rate core members in terms of their progress on the outcomes wheel for core members, which is an action that will need to be done in Program Tracker by Friday of week 3. Once again, this is an action that needs to be done in Program Tracker by Friday of week 3. So first you're going to log into Program Tracker, and remember there's the tiny URL that I created just so it's a little more user-friendly to remember, tinyurl.com/program tracker-delta. All right, it's going to bring you to the Program Tracker screen. Again, remember, is your Workday username and Workday password to go ahead and sign in. And it's the same, you're logging in essentially the same way that you do to enter your daily classroom averages for your core members. So if you have worked Institute before or you've been on regional staff, remember that there is the possibility that you might have to click your welcome drop down and change your teacher group. Make sure that it says 2016-2017 Delta Institute. And then you're going to click into your core members. So we're going to be rating, you're going to be rating your core members based off of your most recent classroom observation during week 3. So once again, you click on My Core Members, it takes you to your core members. You should see your cohort on the screen, and then you're going to click into each of your teachers individually. So here we're under Miss Amos. And here's all the teacher level data. So what we're going to do by Friday of week 3 is rate, you're going to rate each of your core members on these 5 indicators, which are tied to our outcomes wheel for core members. So this process is not click heavy at all. It's actually super quick. So you'll click on the indicator that you're rating. You'll rate all 5, but we can start here with our students critically thinking and engaging in real and meaningful discourse throughout the lesson cycle. You'll go ahead and based off of your most recent observation, you'll look at how that aligns to the terms of core member growth that's laid out in the outcomes wheel. So if we would say that there is emerging growth in this classroom in terms of students critically thinking and engaging in real and meaningful discourse throughout the lesson cycle, you'll click it and you can see right here it saves it and it's going to timestamp it so we know that that happened during week 3. You'll go on to the next one. Are students engaged in rich problems, texts, and or questions that are worth tackling? Again, based off your most recent observation, the notes you have, and the outcomes rubric, you'll take a look and you'll put in your rating. And once again, it will put in the rating and timestamp it. So this is a super quick process, and we're going to do it during weeks 3 and during week 5. And then this will give us a whole nother layer to cut our data, and we can start to see how this brand new outcomes wheel correlates to success in the classroom for students. So once again, you'll be rating each of your core members on these 5 indicators from the outcomes wheel by Friday of week 5, and you'll be deciding those ratings based off of the outcomes wheel and rubric along with your most recent classroom observation of that teacher. If you have any questions, again, please do not hesitate to reach out, and I'm very excited then the following week to be able to roll out what our student achievement data looks like through the lens of our outcomes wheel with core members. Thank you, CMAs. See you soon.